We all want to improve our financial lives, but where do we start? If you've ever felt frustrated trying to make a plan that sticks, you're not alone. The problem is, most of us set financial goals that are too vague or too ambitious, and when we fall short, it feels impossible to keep going. Today, we're going to talk about how to set realistic financial goals and achieve them step by step. The truth is, setting financial goals is one of the most empowering moves you can make. Whether you're aiming to pay off debt, save for a home, or plan for early retirement, this process can guide you to success. So, let's get into exactly how you can set financial goals that are not only realistic but achievable, so you can move forward with confidence. Before setting any goal, it's crucial to know your starting point. Think of it as mapping out a road trip. You need to know where you are before deciding where you're headed. Start by taking a comprehensive look at your current financial situation. This includes understanding your income, your monthly expenses, and any existing debts or obligations. Write it all down. Being honest here is key. It's not about perfection, it's about clarity. You might be surprised how many people avoid this step. But without it, it's like trying to navigate with a blindfold on. Remember, clarity is power. Knowing exactly where you stand helps you plan effectively. Next, ask yourself, what's most important to me right now? This question shapes your path. If your main priority is to build an emergency fund, your goals will look different than if you're focused on paying down student loans or investing in your future. Prioritizing your goals helps direct your energy effectively. Write down your top 3 financial priorities. This helps you stay focused, and when you have competing interests, like choosing between a vacation and paying off credit card debt, you'll know which choice aligns with your bigger picture. You've probably heard of SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's apply this to your financial plan. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," make it specific. I will save $5,000 in the next 12 months for an emergency fund. Notice how this is clear, has a timeline, and sets a realistic amount based on your budget. Specific goals keep you accountable. Instead of vague intentions, you'll have a roadmap with milestones to celebrate along the way. Big goals can feel intimidating, so break them down. If saving $5,000 in a year is your goal, divide that by 12 months, about $417 per month. Suddenly, that big number feels more manageable. Then, break it down further. How much do you need to save each week? What small adjustments can you make to free up that cash? This is where habits come in. Automate your savings so that the money goes into a separate account before you can touch it. It's one of the easiest ways to stay on track without having to think about it every day. Hey, I hope you're enjoying this video so far and finding the tips helpful. If you've learned something new or feel more confident about your finances, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. It's a simple way to support the channel and ensures you don't miss out on future content that could help you on your financial journey. Also, I create all of this content for free because I'm passionate about making personal finance approachable for everyone. If you'd like to show some extra support, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. Your support helps keep this channel going and means so much to me. Thank you, and now, let's get back to the video. Even the best plans can go sideways. Life happens, unexpected expenses pop up, and motivation can wane. But don't let one setback derail your entire plan. Adjusting your strategy is part of the process, not a failure. If one month you only save $300 instead of $417, don't panic. Instead, reassess and make small changes to stay on track for the next month. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Think of progress like planting a tree. You water it regularly, and over time, it grows strong. The same goes for your financial habits. Goals are easier to achieve when you're not doing it alone. Find an accountability partner, join a financial community, or even share your progress with close friends or family. It's motivating to know that someone else is cheering you on. And don't forget to celebrate your wins, no matter how small they seem. If you managed to save an extra $50 this month or paid a little extra on your loan, acknowledge it. Recognizing progress fuels your motivation to keep going. Setting realistic financial goals is not just about numbers. It's about creating a lifestyle that aligns with your values and dreams. Start small, stay consistent, and adjust when needed. Over time, those small steps lead to big changes. Remember, achieving financial success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about building habits that will serve you for a lifetime. So, take that first step today. Define your priorities, set a clear plan, and commit to seeing it through. You're not just making a financial plan, you're investing in your future self. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has provided valuable insights to help you take control of your finances. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to check out my playlist on financial planning for more in-depth tips and strategies. And don't miss my latest video for even more practical insights that can help you on your financial journey. Just click on the cards on your screen to continue learning. Your support means the world to me, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. See you in the next one.